How to install Snapchat on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Snapchat on Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type in Snapchat. And now here, once you search for it on the search result, simply tap on the Snapchat option. So as of right now, I have already installed the Snapchat, but if you haven't, then here you simply have to tap on the install button, and after that, the download will begin. And here, once the download finishes, Snapchat will automatically install on your phone, and after installation, you simply have to tap on open to launch the Snapchat app. And after that, you can now log in with your existing account or tap sign in or sign up to create a new account, and that's it. That's how you can install Snapchat on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.